back, and we want to go ahead and finish this off, get the sign on here. I want to cover up that metal at the top. Remember what I said though, if you're going to transport this cake, I would transport it pretty much at this stage, maybe not with some of these cards on it, and just so you can hold on to this part so it doesn't, you know, move or anything on you. But once you get there, you would go ahead and take just some water right up here at the top, and we're going to go ahead and just pop this on just to kind of cover that up a little bit. Alright, and then what I want to do is take this sign that we made earlier, and I want to take the skewer and place it behind here into the cake. And just kind of twist it until you feel it go all the way down to that plastic board there. So that'll be one, and I like to put 2 supports in there. There's one. Find one more. Again, I just want to make sure I have it positioned right, so I kind of need to look at the front of the cake here. So the second one can go in right about there. Again, make sure it goes all the way down. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some more black fondant over those skewers to help secure it. So I need it to be about the same height. And what I do is I just take a little water and put it right down here and put this right up against the skewer like this. And I'm going to do the other one. And then we'll take some more water, put it at the front here, and take the sign, and just attach that. Okay, so that's at the back, and then what I could do is lean some things against it to help support it. Again, that sign is it's a trademark sign, so again, you have to be careful where you use it. You can always change, you know, do the same shape as the sign, but maybe if it's for someone's birthday, you could write, you know, happy birthday to so-and-so, but do it in the shape of the sign or something like that. I needed just a couple more dollar bills to just kind of feel like I've got a dent in my cake right here. And always take extra things with you. See the dent there? And I've got one over here. Always take extra things with you because, you know, something is more than likely going to shift on a cake like this. So let me just go get a couple more dollars and we'll finish it up. Doo-doo! And finally, it's done. Yay! Alrighty, so there it is. The marathon cake. Alright, so have fun with it. Practice, 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 practice before you actually say you'll do it for someone. It's a challenge, people. I'm not going to tell you it's easy. Because like I said, everything kind of keeps moving on you a little bit, you know, when it's the real deal here. So, got to be patient, got to have patience with a cake like this. And you always have to keep moving with it, you know. Biggest thing, like someone had taught me, and I said it earlier today, it's not how you mess up, it's how you cover up. So, you know, if things shift or whatever, you have to know how to cover them up, and you will be good to go. All right, so hope you enjoy it.